Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to update a product inventory in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login, fill in your login credentials, and hit Login. Now, click on Products from the left side menu and select the product you want to update the inventory for. Then scroll down to variants. If you have multiple variants for the same product, you will see this section. Like me, it's called variants. Click on the one of your product variants like that, and you will arrive to this page. Now scroll down to inventory, and here you will see your available inventory for this product variant. Click on this number and this little new window pops up, and here you can adjust or update your product variant inventory. Right now I have 14 of this product variant, and let's say that I want to update it by 2. Just adjust it by 2, and as you can see, automatically went from 14 to 16. And then here you can add a reason. For example, let's say I have 2 returns. I can select, or I can go with return restock. Don't forget to hit save. And now here you will switch to 16, which means that the product inventory for this exact variant is updated. Now, if you want to update another product variant, you can switch to it from here. Let's switch to the black variant, and you can do the same. Let's do it. You can either here move to unavailable, select a reason, quality control, safety stock, or damaged. Let's go with quality control. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And if I select 10, the available will be switched to 0. And just like that, you can update the product variant. Now, let's say your product is a single product, which I mean no variants. Just scroll down to the inventory section and not to the variants section. You will see a section like that. First, make sure to check this track inventory option, and here you can do the same thing. Under available, click on this little number, and here you can either adjust it. Let's say I have 5 new returns, and automatically here it updates the available number. Here you can add a reason. Let's go with, for example, received, and hit save. If you want to update the product inventory, let's say you have few less products, here instead of adjust available, select move to unavailable, and here, as you can see, that the current number is 21. Now let's say 10 products are damaged. Here I will go with 10, and for the reason I will go with damaged. As you can see now, the quantity updated to just 11. And just like that, you can update your product inventory in Shopify. A cool feature that I've just learned about is this inventory history tracking. To access this feature, just click on products to arrive to this products page. Click on the products you want to track the inventory for, and here, depending on if you have multiple variants or not, just if your product is a single variant, go to the inventory section, and here click on adjustment history. And as you can see, I can track every activity with its date, what happened. As you can see here, I've added 10 products, and on hand, and also the available inventory is tracked this way. Now, if your product has multiple variants like this one, instead of going to the inventory section, arrive to this variants section and click on one of your variants, and here you can adjust or see the adjustment history for each variant. As you can see, on the Wednesdays, this is the current inventory. Thursday, 16 minutes ago. You can also see the person who was or who did the adjustments. And that's all for this video. If you still have a question, and this is how to adjust product inventory in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.